Snipers, drones and sharpshooters had to be deployed as the Union Minister, the Home Minister Amit Shah, made his first visit to Jammu and Kashmir since Article 370 was abrogated on the 5th of August 2019. The visit comes at a time when the Union Territory is spooked with the targeted killings of civilians and heightened terrorism by Pakistan-backed outfits.
Calling the move irreversible, the architect of the abrogation of Article 370 defended the move, calling the communication blockade and curfew imposed in Kashmir after 5th of August 2019 a bitter pill that saved lives in Kashmir.
यहाँ कर्फ्यू क्यों डाला गया है? यहाँ इंटरनेट क्यों बंद कर दिया गया? 70 साल आपके 3 परिवारों ने ही यहाँ राज करा है। हम तो 2-2.5 साल राज में रहे। 3 परिवारों ने राज किया है। 40,000 लोग क्यों मारे गए? क्या जवाब है आपके पास? कौन बचा है? कश्मीर का युवा बचा है। इंटरनेट बंद किया, कश्मीर का युवा बचा है।
On his first visit to Kashmir since Jammu and Kashmir was stripped of its statehood and special constitutional status over 2 years ago, the Home Minister reviewed the security situation in the Union Territory with top army, police, paramilitary and intelligence officers in the wake of a recent spate of targeted attacks on civilians and an ongoing anti-militancy operation in Poonch. This month, 11 civilians, most of them migrant workers and members of minorities in Kashmir, have been killed. The incidents have led to exodus of large number of migrant workers and Kashmiri Pandit employees living in transit camps. In Poonch, the army has been engaged in a tough anti-militancy operation for the last 13 days. 9 soldiers, including 2 officers, have been killed in action in a region that was free from militancy since 2003 and is seeing a worrying resurgence of terrorism now, which is proving to be a major security challenge. Still, the Home Minister says that the abrogation of special status has changed Kashmir's narrative from terrorism to development. The Home Minister also reiterated the government's intention to restore the statehood of Jammu and Kashmir.
डिलिमिटेशन रोकना, क्यों रोकना? क्योंकि हमारी राजनीति का नुकसान होता है। भाई अब कश्मीर में ऐसा कुछ रुकने वाला नहीं है। कश्मीर के युवाओं को मौका मिले, इसलिए अच्छा डिलिमिटेशन भी होगा। डिलिमिटेशन के बाद चुनाव भी होगा और फिर से स्टेटहुड का स्टेटस भी वापस।
Amid heavy rains and snowfall in Kashmir, unprecedented security arrangements were in place in Srinagar in preparation for the Home Minister's visit. The famed Dal Lake bore a deserted look, out of bounds for the public.
कुछ कमाई हुई आज दिन को? हाँ? 1 रुपया भी नहीं कमाया। क्या हो रहा है? क्या अब तो 2-3 दिन ऐसे रहना या? हाँ? हाँ। तो बिल्कुल कोई यहाँ नहीं आया।
On the first day of his Kashmir visit, Home Minister Amit Shah tried to send a message that there is a positive change in Kashmir for last 2 years after abrogation of special status. He defended world's longest internet shutdown and curfew in Kashmir that was imposed after abrogation of special status in August 2019. Many believe the facts on the ground may not match what Amit Shah said, especially in the wake of recent spike in violence and militancy. In Srinagar, Nazir Masoodi, 5ND TV.